Hello everyone, so we have been seeing lots of cool use cases that are being using with NanoBanana Pro. Like if you upload a picture of any gadget or object or any other type, like I uploaded this image of iPhone here and I got this image of deconstruction or the teardown of everything with level details here. So here's the prompt here. Make this image of iPhone, show me a deconstruction of what's inside this iPhone with level details. But do you know that you can create a cool motion graphics or a deconstruction video for this? So let me show the result first here. So as you can see, this is a awesome deconstruction or like a motion graphics video that I created with NanoBanana Pro with these two images. And maybe this is not perfect, so here's I create another one. Now this one is kind of more perfect and all the level details are perfect here. As you can see, there's no spelling, incorrect spelling in the video here. And just for fun, I also make a deconstruction of banana. So this was the last image. And this is the video teardown or the deconstruction of with all the details, level details with banana. So in first time it's opened up in a weird way, but the last image video of the like a motion graphics is kind of cool. So if you want to learn how to use this, I'm going to show you with another image. So I'm going to create this image with the Glock 17 here, and this is the deconstruction image that I got. So let me show you the prompt here. Show me deconstruction of this Glock 17 or what's inside with level details. And this is the image that I upload, and for some reason it's not showing the result here, but I have already downloaded this and this is the image as I got. So I'm going to make a teardown or deconstruction video of this to show you how you can create this also. And also I'm using NanoBanana Pro for free. If you don't know how to use this NanoBanana Pro for free, you can watch this video where I have shown you 3 websites where you can create 4K quality also for free using the NanoBanana Pro. So to create the video, we're going to use Flow AI video generator, which is also by Google. And these are the 2 projects I created that I've already shown you. So we're going to click on new project. And after creating a new project, we're going to choose the frames to video, and the default will be VO31. And we're going to upload the 2 images, the first image of the Glock 17 and the last image that I got from NanoBanana Pro with the deconstruction image. And this is the image, crop and save. And now we're going to give a prompt here. So after using this for a couple of times, I created a prompt template so you guys also can use this. So I'll give all the prompts in my description box. You can just copy it, and I'm just going to paste the prompt here and just click submit. And as you can see, I'm using this for free because Flow gives you 100 credits every month and I got only 20 credits left. So let's hope that it will give me a better quality video for the first prompt that I'm trying. So our video has been created. Let's hope it gives us a perfect or perfect animation for this video. So as you can see, the video was very perfect at the first frame to last frame, just like I wanted it. And you can also download it from here. If you click on download, now you can upscale this with this resolution. And if you just click on upscale, it will not take any credits because it costs 0 credits to upscale any video. Flow AI video generator. So that's it guys. This is one of the coolest use cases by NanoBanana Pro and mixing it with Flow AI video generator to share with you guys. I'll give all the videos prompt and link in the description box. And also, so if you found this videos helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.